What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Poe from Poppy Playtime's Nightmare Critters. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the left eye. We're going to start with the top edge of the brow, starting right in the middle, draw a straight angled line, going up and then out towards the left. Now you want to round out the bottom of the eye with a half circle, coming around towards the bottom and then back in. Let's add an oval in the center of the eye, starting from the very top, coming around towards the bottom and then back up. And it'll fill the outside of the eye in black. Now let's draw the top edge of the mouth, starting from the left corner, coming in towards the beak. So we're going to start out here, just going to trace the eye, coming down, and then in. Let's work our way across the top of the beak, going up, and then out towards the top. Curve the beak going out, and then down towards the tip. Let's go back to the inside, curve the bottom of the beak, coming out, and then down. Let's continue this curve on the outside of the beak on the right, curve this up, and then out with a short line. Let's curl the mouth, going around and then down. Now you want to open up the mouth, starting back on the left, come all the way down towards the bottom of the mouth, go across and then up towards the right. Let's tuck the right eye in behind the beak, so we're going to line this up, going up towards the top, come around the outside, and then in towards the beak. Now I want to push the pupil towards the left side, so we're going to start with a curve, and fill the outside of the eye in black. On the bottom left side of the mouth, we're going to draw the tongue. We're going to start with a fold, going up and then down, step back, add another curve going up and then down. Now we're going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth, going around the tongue. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw in the eyebrows. We're going to start in the center with two angled lines going up and then in. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve this across and then up. Curve this out and then down. Do the same thing on the right, going out and up. Let's add that fur detail going around the corners of the mouth. We're going to start with the left side. We're going to go up, around, and then in. Add another one, coming around and then up. Let's take that and flip it over on the right side, starting from the outside of the eye, go around and then in, go around the corner of the mouth, and then back in. Now let's close off the bottom of the head. From the outside of the fur, we're going to step out. Let's draw a half circle, coming down, come in underneath the mouth, and pull that up underneath the fur. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to work our way up, and then into right about here. Let's add those feathers. Going out and then up, and this in and back down. Let's add another feather. We're going to point this up, come back down toward the top of the head. Now we're going to continue the circle, going around and then down towards the right side. Add some more feathers. We bend this out and up, bend this down and then in. Let's add another one. We're going to point this down, going out and then down. And then bend that in towards the side of the head. Now I'm just going to close off that circle, coming around and down on top of that fur. Now with the head complete, let's move to the center of the body and draw in that cloud symbol. We'll start with a half circle just underneath the chin. Go to the left side, we're just going to round this out, come down towards the bottom, do the same thing on the right. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's add a small square on the top center, and then from the outside, draw a straight angle line going up and out underneath the head. Let's add that lightning bolt coming down underneath the clouds, starting on the left, come down, in, and then down, go out and up towards the right. Come in and then back up. Now we're going to add that fur collar going around the base of the head. Let's start on the left. That is out. Curve that back in. Come down and in towards a cloud. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going out, and then in, down, and then in. On the left side, let's add in the wing. We're going to start underneath the collar. Start by coming down at an angle. I just want to bend this back up toward the tip of the wing. Let's add that first feather. Coming around, and then down. Let's layer 2 more feathers underneath. Starting from the side, we're going to go up, round this out, and come down. Add a small one on the end, going up, come down towards the bottom of the wing. Now I just want to bend this up towards the side of the body, and the wing gets narrower as we come in. Let's go back to the inside of the wing and add the thumb, going up, down, and in. Let's draw the bottom of the body, starting underneath the wing, curve this around and then in towards the leg. And I want to add a socket with a half circle, coming around and then down. Continue the body going around and then up underneath that cloud. Let's add a seam, starting underneath the collar, draw an oval, coming all the way down, and then pull that up on the right side. Let's draw on the right wing, starting underneath the collar, going across and then out. Let's round out that first feather and then pull it back in. Now I'm going to add 2 more layers, going around and then bend that in. Let's add a small one, coming around, and we'll just taper the wing so it gets narrower, coming in towards the body. And then on the inside, we're going to add the thumb, going out and in. Now let's draw that front leg inside the socket. Let's start from the left side point, angle this down with a straight line towards the bottom of the foot. Now I'm going to draw on that claw, going out and then down. Draw a short curve coming in, round out the toe and pull that back up. Now I'm going to add 3 claws, going out and then down, round out the toe. I'm going to add a sharp point, hooking this down and back up, curve the toe coming back up and in. Let's layer a second toe in behind, starting with a short curve coming in towards the claw, curve this up and then in. Now the third toe is going to tuck in behind, so we're going to start up here, curve this around the top of the foot and then in towards the ankle. Let's go back up to the top, draw a straight line coming down. Let's bend the right leg in behind. So we're going to start down here, draw a straight angled line, angle this back in behind. Let's move over, go around, bend the knee, come back in. Now you can see the back toe in behind the leg, so curve this around and down, hook this in, then round out the toe. Now we're going to finish off with the tail coming out from the left side. Let's start from the hip, bend this out, and then down, round out this feather, go up, and then in. Let's add 2 more layers in behind, coming down, and then in. We'll do that one more time, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's Poe from the Nightmare Critters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe to this channel for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.